The care of the eyes and visually impaired person Brallie system. So I am S. Vasudevan. So today we are going to see the topics of care of the eyes. So eye is a very important part in our human body system. So through the eyes only we are able to see the colorful worlds. So we should take the care of there will be certain precautions or protection measures we have to always follow to protect our eyes. The first one is use suitable spectacles if it is advised by the doctor. And also the insufficient light means very less amount of light, or if there is a large amount of the light enter into the eye means what will happen, it will cause the eye strain and headache. That means don't read the books in a very less amount of the light. If the light intensity is very less, brightness is very less, means we have to strain our eye to read the words and sentences, so it will cause us headache. Dear students, so you have to read the books only in a bright sunlight or in a bright light. So you have to switch on the light, then only you have to read the books. Then the laser light, the powerful laser light should not allow to fall on eye. So if it is falls on our eye means what will happen? It will damage the retina. The retina is the part where the image will be formed by the eye lens. Then never rub your eyes. If there is any particles fall on our eye, so you have to clean the eye with water. The water should be very clean. So you should be wash the eye with clean water. And one more thing, they always read the books in a normal distance of vision. Don't bring the books too closer or too far away from your eye. So these are all the cares, these are all the protection methods we have to follow to maintain our eyes. So eye is an important part of our human body. You should follow these things. The next one is, there is a certain persons, they are called as a visually impaired persons. They are not able to see, their eye lens or some other eye parts are not at all grown properly. There will be a certain defects in the eye. So they are called as a visually impaired person. So there is a system, the most popular resource of visually challenged person is Brallie. So Louis Brallie is a visually challenged person. He developed a system for visually challenged persons and published it in 1821. That is, in the year 1821, he published certain patterns to read the languages. So let us we see that the CAT, it is a cat. So the visually impaired person having a certain things, they will touch. Here the hole, there is a no holes. Here one hole. Then here it is a hole. It may be a hole or dot. So they will touch the dot. So if there is a 2 dot in the first row means they will assume that it is a C. Then it is a 1 dot means A. Then if the dot will be like this means it is a T. Likewise, they will be able to read all those things. So this is a Brallie system. The present system is adopted in 1932. In Brallie system has a 63 dots. It has a 63 dots, patterns or characteristics. Each characteristic represents, characters means letter. Each character means letter. So there is each letter is a combination of a word and something. This is a pattern. So each and every letter combined to form a word or a sentence. So today we are seeing that in this session we are seeing that without eye, it is not possible to see the colorful world. So we have to keep our eye clean and protect our eye. So there is a certain measures we have to follow to protect our eyes from the dust particles, and what are all the things need to do and don't do. So do's and don't do's should be known by the students. Very important thing is, don't allow the laser light while playing that. If the laser light fall on our eye means it will damage the retina. So definitely the vision will be goes off. Also, if there is any particles will be falls on our eye means don't rub it. Just wash it with a clean water. These are all the important points. Then for the visually impaired person, there is a system followed, is called as a Brallie system. So they are touch the patterns. They touch the patterns and identify the letters and frame the words. Even the sentence also they are framed. So this is the system followed by the visually impaired persons to read and write. So the chapter 16 is over. So dear students, you have to read all the book pages, and there is a certain extra things also given in your book. So the butterfly eyes and all those things. So you have to read on your own and understand the concept. So the basic concepts are over. So watch the videos of chapter 16 fully. Last week and the day before the last week, previously also the chapter 16 will be started. So watch all the videos and read the book pages and understand the concept.